Hello guys. I was just waiting to see some people who are watching, but until now there is no one. Oh, there are two watching right now. So our subject today is oh, there is Mike here. Hey Mike, how are you? There is Mike. This is the first one who interacted. So hello Karim, good to see you. Hello guys. Hope you are doing well. I was just waiting to see some people who are watching, but okay. I was just watching one of your videos. Okay, that's good. So excuse me, I'm just trying to see if things works well. Do you hear my voice right now? Do you hear my voice right now when I'm yes or no? Hello Kamal. Just a question. Do you hear my voice? So I was just to make sure that that you are listening very well. So right now I have 5 who are watching. Just to make sure everything is doing well. Yes, I can hear you. Hey, Reedmark, how are you? You are one of my students, and if you are listening to me, okay, just we wait a few minutes until some people will be coming, and then we can begin our subject, which is related to trading. Sounds great. Yes, I can hear you, Reedmark. Now, see, for the video, I don't know how things work with the video. It looks like it is doing good. It's better than the other day, but it's okay. It's okay. We are just learning new things about this live chat. So I have done this before with Hangouts, and when the video stops or things works bad, so almost all the people will be frustrated. But I think that right now things is going good, as I see. So 5 are watching. Okay. So we have just 5 watching. So we can just begin talking about the passion for trading, and then if we have questions and other guys will come, so we will be answering some questions. Okay. The passion for trading stocks in general, what is it? It means you love to do something, and when you love to do something and you continue and never give up, the thing is, what happened is that you will be learning more and more, and by the time goes, you will be doing better and better and better than someone who is new. And because you like something and you love something and you want to do it and you want to continue in it, this will give you a great advantage. Now, this great advantage is that you will be able to learn things because of your experience, because the more you see stocks, the more you see things. It's like when you see people, okay? It's like when you see people, you see a lot of people, you see a lot of minds, you see a lot of ideas, you see a lot of things. And when you begin trading, you begin to decipher the problems and then find solutions to them, and then you begin going up and up in understanding stocks in general. Okay. Yes, the video is good this time. Yeah, okay, thank you very much. I see that the video is working better. I don't know, my son has done some stuff to it. So 10 watching now. Good evening. Nice curtains. Okay. there is a funny story with this curtain. There is one curtain which is not which is falling or something, and there is a woman. I know she is a woman because she comment on one of the videos, and she says, "Oh, the curtain, you should change your curtain." And then the funny thing, I asked my wife, I say, "What's the problem with this curtain?" She told me, "Yes, it is not. It should we should change it." Okay, so this is a funny story. Most of the, 80%, 86% who are watching me are men, okay, and 14% are women. But women, because of their nature, they are looking at the decor. It means what is the background and where I sit and where I am, more than what I say. Not all women, okay, just a few women who are like, they want to see what's going on at the back of my video, the background. And that's why I want to, in the future, I want to change it. Okay, Jeffrey Long say, what do you think of CFA? CFA, what is it? First, so I have never heard about this. You mean CFA? So can you please tell me what is it first? Now, my expertise in stocks. If you go to options or CFD or the other stuff or futures, is not what I am doing. So I can't speak that much about something that I don't experience. That's why I understand that you get a lot of information from me when you focus on stocks, because the stocks in general, in stocks it's so simple. Okay, the rules are easier than options or CFD or you go futures. Okay, and those mostly for day traders. So I don't do day traders, although I have one training about day trading, but I don't do that much. I have done this before, but I see that commissions and a lot of stuff will eat up a lot of my profits, so I stop that. Oh yeah. This is I think he's saying CFD, CFA. I don't know what is CFA. CFD, which is it's not stocks. It means you don't own anything. It's like options. It's like futures. You don't own, and this is the characteristics that it is so different from stocks to other things. So for me, I'm not going to speak about other things than stocks. Okay, so ask me about stocks, anything about stocks, and because of stocks is the whole thing. It's stock market is is the biggest money center in the world, and billions of shares are traded a day. Okay, bought and sold, either day trading or scalping or swing trading or investing. So it's a lot of money, and this is what the people do. Now, he said a chartered financial analyst. Okay. Now I know what is financial analyst. Okay, you are speaking about analyst. I will tell you just a general word about analysts before we say financial and charts. Let me just drink some coffee. You should bring your coffee and tea because we will talk a lot and a long time. So you need to be like aware of this thing that I drink coffee while I speak. Oh yeah. Jeffrey says that the CFA exam covers both fundamental and technical analysis. Oh, okay. So, what does this man, or you, for example, Jeffrey, because you are speaking about this, what do you do with this CFA? It means you want to do a job, right? You will be working with a broker. I know the series. Series 7, Series 6, Series the series that here in the USA we do for the people who are going to work for the broker or the bank. So, are you going to do a job, Jeffrey? This is a question for you. The question is for you, Jeffrey. Oh, I'm mistaken in your name. Are you going to do oh, for a job? Are you here in the USA? Are you in the USA? United States of America? Okay. Ismail said why we need to own. Oh yeah, okay. I will just give you an answer right now. Okay. To own stocks, it means you are real in the market. It means you own something from the company itself. Okay, if the company progresses and becomes bigger and bigger, if you own something, this thing will become bigger and bigger. Now I give you an example. Facebook was like 1755 in 2012. It was going down from 42, it goes to 45, and then it goes to 38, and then it goes down until 1755. Okay? Now, it means if you are owning this, when the stock price go down, you lose the value of the share. You lose the value of the share. And when you see the price, it's a confirmation. Now, let's say Facebook was 1755 and now it is 142 or $43 for today. It means yesterday, which is Friday. Okay? Your share has doubled many times. It's nearly more than yes, more than 7 times, more than 700%. So owning this will make you money, and the value goes up, and the price confirmation goes up, and you will be making money. Now you can make money without owning. Okay, but the dangerous thing is that if things go wrong, you lose everything. For example, I give you for example, and if you stay, you will have a big trouble. Okay, a big trouble. Now, that's why, for me, I'm speaking about myself. I'm not speaking about other people, what they do. I don't do CFD or options or binary options or futures or forex. I don't do. Okay, because you don't own anything, and it is so dangerous. If you leave the trade without stop loss, without monitoring, you can have a big trouble. You can lose all your money, like in options, like in futures. Okay, you can lose a lot of money. You can be in debt. But the stock, if you buy $3,000 a stock or 5,000, 10,000, you will never lose everything, except when the company go bankrupt. This is the only exception. Okay, in CFD we can own a contract. Yeah, Ismail. CFD, you own a contract, but you don't own the stock itself. And for me, what I'm specialized in is stocks. Now you can use my strategies, like for day trading. You can use them to have some entries. You can use my my training, for example, stop loss, how to make money, training level 5, how to follow a trend. If there is a trend in this CFD and the other, you can do that. But for me, I don't do that. I don't CFD. I don't. Okay. I don't do CFD. I don't do options. I don't do forex, currency pairs. I don't do futures. So try to focus on stocks. At least since I am alive, live, I can give you more information through what I say and through my training, and at least you will be more having more information than anybody else, because in CFD. Okay, Kareem, how about bank stocks now? So what do you mean? You mean banks stocks? It means financials. FB is a monopoly. No, it's not a monopoly. What do you mean by monopoly? How French elections will affect bank stocks? So, yes, Kamel. See, FB, it's not a monopoly. It's a corporation. Now, if you buy a FB, Facebook stocks, you will be a shareholder. You will be like them. It's not monopoly. So why companies, they go to the stock market? Because maybe a lot of people, they don't understand why, for example, a company doesn't stay private. It means you go to the store, you find the store, you find thing, but it is private. You can't buy the company shares. So why the companies are going to the stock market? Because they need money. They need a lot of money to become bigger and bigger. For example, let's say real estate or a bank, for example. A bank, if it is just a private bank having some people who have put their money there to invest in it, this is not the same. It must be small. But if it goes to the stock market, it becomes big and big, because people, they give money to this bank and they become shareholders. So try to understand, Kamel, that Facebook is not monopoly as you might think, or private, or no, it is public right now. If you are in France, if you want to buy Facebook shares, you can. So who will stop you? Or any company in the world, if it gets listed in the exchange, you can just go and buy it. Yes. Facebook earnings are coming in May, and I have spoken a lot about earnings. It's a big trade, but understand that there is a big risk. If you are right, you can make a lot of money, but if you are wrong, you will lose a lot of money. So earning dates. If you want to trade it, it is just a day trade. It means if you just buy today, you sell. It's a swing trade, but it is just for 1 day or 2. You buy today and you see tomorrow. If things go well, you can make a lot of money. But understand that you can lose a lot of money also. So it's a dangerous trade. And if you are not experienced and have what we call you control your risk and your account, you shouldn't do that. In general, okay? In general. Yes, the earnings is in May. I have pointed out this before, and all the people know how French elections will affect banks' stocks. You know, I don't do news and a lot of things that will affect the stock market or the stock itself. Okay? um, because the news, it is not the news that it is the main concern. The main concern is how the traders react to the news. Okay, it means how the traders react. This is the most important thing. I will give you something. I will give you an example. When Britain left Europe, and they announced this on Friday last year. I have made videos. If you go there, I think it's 24 August. If you go there, I have explained in time, it means on time, what will happen. On Friday, the whole market it means Dow Jones go like 500 or 700 points. But it's not all the sectors and industries they go down. At that day, if you go there, you find that utilities sector has gone up, and this is the magic of stock market. Stock market doesn't follow direct things. Okay, it doesn't. If you are looking for causes and consequences, or direct reason, and you want to use it in stock market, you will never succeed. Okay, so if you have bought this kind of stocks, which are utilities, and we have the pre-exit, what we call a pre-exit event, you will be making money on that day. But most of the other stock sectors go down. Now on Monday, there is another going down. It means the stock go down, all the stocks, most of them. But on Tuesday, when there are a lot of people buying and there is a green candlestick, I told you at that day, if you go to my to that day, 24, 25th, 20, okay, 24 is Friday, 25th, 26th is the weekend, 27, 28. If you go to 28 August in my channel, you will find a video where I say the trend can begin now if next day the stocks are going up. And it's true. From that day we have a very long what we call a trend, and a lot of people have made a lot of money. All the stocks will go up, so it's an opportunity to buy at that time. Okay, and this is I explain in training level 13 how to buy from the support line. This is one example that I give always because it's true, and I commented on the videos and I explained what did happen. This is just technical analysis. It has nothing to do with the news, or it's just something that you can do in order to make money. Do you ever trade agriculture commodity futures? No, I don't trade futures. Okay, futures or forex, currency pairs, or options, or this CFD and bonds. All these categories I don't trade, because you should be a day trader. For example, futures, you should be a day trader. Okay, and you should be a day trader. And for me, understand that I am not a day trader. I do the easiest thing for me. Now, if you like day trading, you can take some of my training and you do day trading. It's okay, and you have the basics, and then you can find other ways to make money. But for me, I like swing trading, and this is the whole channel that I do is about swing trading. Most of the guys who follow me, some they have businesses, some they don't, some they have never traded before, so I give them the easiest thing to do in the market to make money. Okay, day trading is to be glued into your screen and watch. Okay, so I am not going to do that. Okay, I don't want to spend my time looking at the screen. Why I don't buy a stock and leave it for tomorrow and make money without this problem of getting glued to the screen and watching every minute what the market will do. Okay, this is for some day traders. It's okay, they like it, they do it, but for me, I don't like it. What market is open now? Okay, we are the weekend. I don't do other things, so my market is closed. Stock market is closed. It works only on from Monday to Friday. Okay, so there is no other things than this. So the other markets, I don't know. I don't do other markets, so I don't worry about this. So this is the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So I don't worry about the market. Nobody wants to tell the truth on how they find great stocks. Okay, Cristiano, this is a good question. Nobody wants to tell the truth on how they find no. See, you should follow training level 2, how to search for stocks using stock screener, or training level 3, how to find stocks using an index industry. There are criteria that you should use with a stock screener in order to find a list of stocks that are prepared that day to go up. Now you put them in the chart, and then with some criteria you choose the best of them according to my criteria. Okay, we have 2 basic criteria to generate stocks from stock screener, and then you put them into a chart, and then there are some other criteria to find the best one. Okay, according to my criteria, 2 criteria, and other criteria about the chart, short sellers, about is it a good trend or no. That's it. And then you can find a good stocks to buy. But this is not what you think. There is no someone who buys a stock and it must go up. Now your idea about finding stocks, you are confused a little bit. So in order to understand how to make money from the stocks, you should see a training level 5, how to make stocks in stock market. There is a concept. Okay, it is not this concept. It is not how many winners over how many losers ratio. It is not. If you go online, they told you, oh, if you make 60% or 70% of winners and 30% or 40% losers, you will make money. I'm telling you, you will never make money like this, because the secret, it is not, okay? It is not on the ratio. It is on other things. And these things you don't find for free. Okay? Understand, who's this? Cristiano. Understand that this information is a paid information. It is not, no one will give you information like this online and just they give it for you like this. Okay? That's why they say in the stock market there is no free lunch at the market. In the market there is what we call greed. All the people want money. All the people. So the people who knows something, they keep secret because it is something that makes money. How can you want to make money and you don't want to spend on your education? This is what some people do, and they try to find and they spend years. But when you spend 1 year or 2 or 3, you will lose so much money. 100 times the money that you buy in education and you educate yourself. Okay? Trading is managing the risk. This is the truth. Yes, it is managing the risk is one big part. Okay? There is a risk, what we call a risk in a trade. There is a risk in an account. There is a risk in many facets. Risk is just a general word, but you should understand how to apply it. For example, if you want to do a risk in a trade, like like you should use a stop loss, but most of the people, they misuse the stop loss. Okay, there are mistakes they do, and they think that putting 2% or 5% or 1% or 10%, this is the what you call this is the solution. No, it's not the solution. You should study how many ways we do stop loss. You should study yourself, your tolerance to risk, and you should study the stocks, because the stocks are not the same. I can give you just an example. Let me drink some coffee before I continue. I can give you two stocks, the same price, but stop loss will be different. Okay? So you understand there are other things than this percentage. It is not only percentage. There are other things you should understand about stocks. And this is what I teach. It is details that you should know about stocks. Okay? It's not only percentage or amount of money or whatever. Yes. Ismail, yes. To make a plan for the trade, yes. A plan, what is it? It means you should have a signal. It means you have a strategy. Okay? You don't go to the news and you go to analyst and you go to someone else online and they ask you to buy this stock. You go to buy this stock. Now, I don't teach that. I teach you how to do the search by yourself, to select stocks by yourself, and if you make money, you should make money by yourself. Okay? To be independent from other people. And this is what I teach. It means I teach traders to be independent trader. It means when you want to buy a stock, you understand the strategy, you understand how to search, how to find the stock, the best stock in that day, how to do stop loss, and that's it. Then if the stock goes up, you know how to follow the stock. Okay? And when to exit. All this stuff that I'm speaking is in my training detailed. It means there are details and you should practice. It's not just, for example, you know the detail, you will know. You will know, yes, but in real trading, you always have a difficulty because you need time to grasp the ideas and the techniques. Techniques, it is not in 1 day or 2 or 3 or 1 month or 2 you will understand them very well. You should practice until you grasp the idea, because the stocks are different and you should know how to master the trade. If you buy a stock and it's going up, should I buy more? Yes, there is a technique called adding up to a stock. Okay? Adding up to the stock when it's going. Some people, they do this kind of technique. Okay? For me, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Okay? Depending on the stock, depending on the situation I am in. When I buy according to each position is not the same as the other. Okay, each position has its own characteristics. How much money should I spend? How many shares should I have? Where is my stop loss? What is my risk? Okay, and then I do the trade. Now, what comes after, it's not important. You lose the trade or you don't lose it, it's not important, because I told you that in order to make money, you should go to training level 5, how to make money in stocks. It gives you the idea, the basic idea of how to make money. It's not you make money in each trade. No one is doing this. If someone telling you that it is, I do 95 or 100%, it is just a mistake, because there is no. Because when you buy a stock, tomorrow, for example, there is bad news. Okay? All the stocks go down. So how can someone tells you that he will know? No one knows the future. For me, I am doing what you call a signal thing. When I search, I see the stocks that get a strong signal, and I see the characteristics, the criteria that I use, and then when I like a stock, I just buy and put stop loss. This is what I do always. I have never changed my strategy, or I see the signal and they say I wait. Why should I wait? Because there is a momentum. I do the search at the end of the day, around 3 o'clock or 2:30 or 3 o'clock, and I put the stocks in the chart. Then I select the stocks that I want to buy, and I see that they're the best because of some criteria in the chart, and then I just go and make a plan. Okay? Where should I buy? It means the price. What is the stop loss? And then I close my account. That is what I should do. It doesn't take time. That's why swing trading is good. If you buy stock and it's going up, should I buy more? Yes. Good explanation. Thank you, Cristiano. Cristiano, even if you pay, they still won't tell you the correct. No. I'm sorry, Cristiano. See, I'm speaking about myself. Okay? My strategy is a whole thing. You can't divide. Okay? You should just understand how it works and how you make the money. Okay? So if you are telling me someone you buy his training and he doesn't want to tell you more or something, no, I don't know. I don't know about other people, but for me, any training that you buy, you ask me questions before you buy and I answer you. You order the training and you begin to practicing. Whenever you ask me a question in that training, I answer you fully. I give you the full information with details. I can give you examples. Okay? And if you do mistakes, I will tell you that you are doing mistakes because you don't follow the instructions. Okay? I have students for 5 years from all over the world. Okay, not just from America here. I have from Canada, from Europe, from Asia, from India, even from India, that are here in America. They are Indians. They bought my training, and we are into a small community like this. When they give me sometimes to give them my opinion, I give them my opinion on their stocks, but I will not tell you what to buy, you should do it by yourself. Okay? You should do it by yourself because I don't want you to depend on me. Cristiano, understand this, and all of who are watching. I don't want you to depend on me. I just explain to you what to do, and if you grasp the ideas and you practice some months or 1 year or two, you practice, you will get to see the money by yourself. I would not. You will see the money by yourself. Okay? You have to figure it out. Oh, no, you can't. See, Cristiano, you can't. If you want to do what we call hit and miss strategy, it means you learn by yourself. Believe me, it will take you years. And after years, you lose all your money. Now, even if you discover something, you lose your money, you can't trade anymore. And some of the guys, someone sent me an email. He said, okay, I have $45,000. I lost $40,000. Okay? He lost $40,000. He has only $5,000, and he asked me the question, can your strategy make me double my money each month? So he stayed years doing mistakes. He doesn't want to correct them. He lost all his money. And then he asked me if my strategy, the strategy doesn't work by itself. Okay? Doesn't work by itself. You should do your job in order to understand the strategy and apply it. And if you do more mistakes, you correct them. That's why I have made a training level 17, how to fix your trading problems. I put like 28 problems. If you go through this, you will find some of some of your problems that you are doing, and you identify them, because it is what all of us do before. Even if you pay correctly. Okay. Salam. Hey Zorba, how are you, Zorba? Today it looks like it's better than last time. We are doing better in terms of video. It looks that the video is working better. Cristiano, there is something else I will tell you, that I have what we call a discount, but it will stop tomorrow at night. If you order one, I can keep you the discount later, okay? Because on Monday things will have the original prices, okay? And all my students, I will try always to give big discounts, okay, just to help them begin the training, because the training takes long. It is not you get my training my training levels, and you begin to study in a few days, and then you will be making money. It's not true. You should practice. When you practice, you do mistakes, and then you correct them, and you correct day by day, or week by week, or month by month, until you grasp the ideas. Now, how do I know you grasp the ideas? Two things. You begin not to lose that much money as you lost before, and then you begin to make good trades. Okay? I see someone who has he has bought a stock, $7,000. It is like a stock like $5 or $6, like penny stock, 7, 5, 4, 6. I don't remember. In a few days he make 1,500, and he told me it is something that it is working. He begins to see the money that he has never seen in his life, because he applies the rules, and he doesn't be like scared of staying in a trade. Because most of the beginners, they get scared when they begin to see some money. They want to sell this stock and to get this money, $100, $200, and they think this is trading. This is not trading. Okay? We have to be rational. 10 to 15 profit. No, Zorba. Zorba. There is no limit of your profit. The profit is unlimited. Don't limit yourself, because if you put in your mind that you take only 10 or 15, what do you think if this stock give you 200% in 1 month? Are you going to leave 200% and you are taking only 10%? So understand that your idea is false. So from now on, you should change this idea and leave the stock goes where it wants to go. It is unlimited. So I will write it here. It is unlimited profits. Unlimited profits. I'm speaking about swing trading. I'm not speaking about day trading. Day trading, you should have a target price. It means the stock moves, for example, 5%. Let's say a stock moves each day 5%. Now you should get 4% or 3% from this stock. This is your profit. You can't do more. You can't do 5% that the stock do, because you should be a genius. You should be knowing the future. And professional trader, they don't do that. They take part of the profit of the day. Okay? This is in day trading. But for me, I am not speaking about day trading. I'm speaking about swing trading. Swing trading is to let your profits run for a few days, few weeks, or 1 month or two. This is what I'm teaching. Is it PDF or PDF? DVD. No, Cristiano. All my training has two kind of trainings. There are videos. Each training has some kind of videos. You watch them online, and there are PDF file. You can download them. Now the PDF file, they are cheaper than the videos, but the videos, you watch them. Each training, you watch it online, but you can download them. Okay, The videos are not downloadable. You just go to the website and you watch them. You watch them as much as you like. 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year. Whenever you are in the account, you watch them. So, hey, as a beginner, yes. No, Zorba, you say as a beginner. No. There is no, you should not stop your profits at 10 or 15%. Even you are beginner or you are whatever you are. You should learn the right thing from the beginning. Don't have assumptions. Because who tells you to take 10 or 15%? Who? Where have you read it, where have you read this information? Or who tells you that you should take 10 or 50%? What if the stock goes to 100%? Okay? Now once I have bought a stock, it goes to 300% in 3 days. I bought it at 11:55 the first day. Okay, let me drink some coffee. And then the second day it goes to $19 something, and then the third day it goes to 29, I think 50. 300% in 3 days. But I know when the stock has given me a lot of money, I should follow it with techniques. And this is what hey Montaz, how are you? This is what yes, and this is what Ismail is looking for. This, you should see training level 7, how to follow an uptrend. It means how to follow the stock itself. Okay? There are techniques. It shows you where the stock can give you more money or when the stock is not giving any more and it will be heading down. At that time, you take what the market gives you. So the market can give you 10%, 20%, 100%, 200%, 500%. You will never know. So don't stop the stock and just take, because this you are scared to follow the stock. This is just because you see money and you think it is money. Now, if you do a trade, you spend, for example, $5,000 or $10,000 or $50,000 or wherever, and you see $100 profit. Are you going to take that 100 profit? Almost all beginners take that profit and they say, oh, I take this, it's better than I have, the stock will go down. But how do you know the stock will go down? What if the stock goes for 2 weeks or 3 weeks and it gives you 70%? Okay? This, you need to be disciplined. You need to take this stage, beginner stage to intermediate stage. You need time to do that. You can jump from beginner to intermediate to advanced student just in a few days. You can't. Because these things is about you, not about the trade. Okay? It is you who want to take $100 and to exit the trade. Does the market say to you, I am not going up? You ask yourself, no. So why? Why you want to leave or to exit the trade? The video training are excellent. I have to say, highly recommended. Thank you, Reed Mac. No, the people who didn't check the training, at least one of them, they will have no idea how things works, and when they go into the training, it means they discover that it is so simple to do it and to apply it. And if you have questions, you just have the email. You send me an email. You say, okay, I'm trying to do this. I have problem. What should I do? I will give you explanation what to do, and I am building your trust in yourself. This is very, very important. To trust yourself, okay, as a trader. You have a strategy, you follow the strategy, you should understand that it will work because you follow the instructions. Some people, they don't want to follow instructions. I say that to them, for example, when you buy a stock, put stop loss. He doesn't want to put stop loss. Okay? And then there is a funny story I will tell you after I drink some coffee. Yes, Zorba, the PDF are cheaper because I put a big discount, which is 80%. So that's why it is more cheaper. And the videos are better because sometimes if some people ask me information, I make more videos. I have made a lot of videos added to almost all my training, like last month or the other month. Okay, so each year, if I see that my students need more information, I will add more videos, and it's better to have videos explanation than to have a PDF explanation. You will be glad you did, Cristiano. You will learn a lot. Yes. So the thing is, you should build your trust. This is more important, and in most of the time, online, they don't insist on this idea of building yourself. It means building your trust in your trading abilities and skills, because you will be going to learn skills that help you find stocks. Okay, to find stocks, and then buy the best. You will be learning how to see the industry's rotation, for example. A lot of people, I have made a lot of videos, and I have made, for example, training level 3, how to search for stocks using industry index. They don't know that mutual fund, they are selling some industries and buying others. This is a major thing in training level 3. It will explain to you how things work. How do you know? How do you follow this kind of stocks? Okay? So things happen in the market each day. So if you want to buy good stocks, you should buy when you have money. But don't search when you don't have money. So it is just useless. It is just useless to go and search each day, and you don't buy. Now you can do what we call a virtual account in your broker, and you can buy stocks, okay? And you do as if you are trading for true, like in my chart. What do? You go to your training, you study how to search for stocks using Stock Screener. You have the stocks, and then you put them in the chart. You just select 1 or 2 or 3 to follow, and don't search for many days. Okay? Try to see which stocks go up, which stocks go down, and they hit the stop loss. It means, and try to calculate this, and you will have an idea if you are making money or no. This needs skills, and the skills, they are not theory. The skills are theory and practice. The more you practice, the better you are. Okay? And the better you are, the better you begin to see the money. When you see the money, it's over. You know what you are doing. What is the funny thing that when you understand my strategy, what is the thing that will make you sad? Is that you don't have money to buy more. Sometimes for me, even I have a big account, I buy some stocks like 3 or 4 or 5. I have them in my account. I don't have more money. That's why I don't want to search, because if I search, I will be getting sad, because I see other opportunities where I don't have money. So that's why don't do a lot of searches if you don't want to buy or to practice as a virtual account. Cristiano, I believe in you, man. Now, when you see my training and you begin to practice, and then you ask me questions, and you see that some of your trades begin to make money, you will understand that this is true. It means a true thing that happened in the market, and we are just following signals. It means you ask me if your stock will go up that you choose. No, I don't know. It's the market who decide. For me, I decide when to enter. A signal, it means a momentum. I know this momentum. I try to find stocks in that momentum. I buy them. If they continue to make money the second day, I will be making money, so I will stay until the stock is giving no money. It's like you are making a cow, for example. Okay, this is just an example. If you are having a farm, or you are living in the countryside, like here in America, people live in the countryside. They have goats, or they have cows, or they have whatever. Or you are living in a remote place, and you have when you milk a cow, for example, you should take everything, okay, all the milk, and then you are done, and this is the profit. This is just an example, okay? Don't buy a cow and milk it and you say this is trading. So this is just an example. Can you send me a link to see your prices? Oh, the link, you should go to my website and you should click each link to see the discount. For example, the videos are 60% discount for videos and 80% for ebooks. Okay, but this is till tomorrow, Sunday midnight Eastern time. This is the offer. We'll stop there because I have this offer for a long time, and all my students, when they ask me to keep the good discount, I keep it for 1 month, for 1 week or 2 or 3, and then I should take it. It's just a help for my students who are following me and who are doing the same what I do. Okay. Adil, he say, are you Moroccan? No, I am not Moroccan. I am USA citizen, but my origin is Algeria. But it's all North Africa. It's the same. It means the same people, or the same most of the time, most of the people. And as I told you, there are skills that you should acquire. Okay, there is a skill of selecting stocks. This is a skill. I will write it. Selecting stocks is a skill. You will develop it through months, 1 month, 2, 6 months, 1 year, 2. You will develop this, and you will be selecting the best stocks every time. This, it needs experience. It needs a practice. It's not a day or two. You will make my training, and then you become and then you will know the best. You do the best according to your experience. But the more you stay in stocks, the more you buy, the more you see the best stocks coming to you, and then you know them. It's like say, I'm telling you something very important. A good stock is like a woman. When you see a woman, you like it. Okay? So it is nice. So when you see a stock, it's the same. When you see a stock and it is nice in the chart, you understand this is a potential to make you money. You have discounted video. Oh, see, Cristiano. My videos training are videos you watch online. They are not DVD. No DVD here, because I will not send you a DVD to your home when you order the training. You order the training, you find videos explaining the training, lessons. And each video, you click all the videos until you finish the training. You have a question, you ask. Oh no, okay? As I told you, no DVD. There is no CD-ROM or DVD that will be sent to you, okay? You have discount on the... Yes, the videos, I just explained before, if you can go to the chat and see above. The videos, I have 65% discount. When you see the price, you click on buy now, you click on it, and then you will see you will see the discount. So the video, it doesn't work, you know, sometimes it works good, sometimes it doesn't work good, okay? We become to see sexy stocks. Yes, yes, this is it. For me, it's like this. I don't know for you, for the other guys. I see hundreds of charts, and then I get in love with one stock, or two or three, and then I buy them. If tomorrow they give me money, I love them and I will stay with them. But if tomorrow they are ugly and they don't give me money, I will just exit them and with my stop loss. I don't like them. When they don't give me money, I don't like them at all. This is the way you should be greedy in the stock market. In the stock market, it is a business. You should spend less and make more. This is how to make your money. Okay? Yeah, yes, Cristiano, yes. They are videos. Each training, you will see how many videos there are in. There is a learn more. You can click. There is a link between buy now. There is a small link. It says learn more. You click on it and you find the description. You find the benefits. You find all about the training, and you find a video explaining what you'll get. And then you can just, Cristiano, you can just, for example, try, for example, training level 2, how to search for stocks using stock screener. If you like it, and then you can order whatever you want. I made the same analogy in my mind about the stocks looking good, just like women. Yes, yes, read Mark, yes. For me, I love charts. If I see a chart that it is ugly, I would never buy it. It's just something, and most of the time I'm right. An ugly chart, it gives ugly results most of the time. Now there are exceptions, but most of the time, if I don't like the chart, I would not buy the stock, whatever is telling me. We can watch videos as many times as we... Yes, Zorba, yes. It is an online, and you just go to your account, and everything you bought, you find it in the Gumroad library. It's the Gumroad is the website that I put my Gumroad library. There you will find all. You'll get a link, and then you enter with your account, and then you find all your videos. You watch them as much as you like. They are always there for you. But if you buy a PDF file, you find them like downloadable. You download and you just read and study. If I don't give money the second day, you wait until it hits stop loss, or you try to break even. Yes, most of the time, stocks that go down, sometimes it doesn't go down that much to hit your stop loss, so you can wait. It didn't reach your stop loss, you should wait for a few days, 1 week or two, and then you see. Okay, and you should have a good stop loss. Don't give the stock too much money, and don't be too tight. Okay, and this you will study in training level 6, how to calculate stop loss. This will give you the many ways, because there are many ways. There are not just one way or two. There are many ways. You should understand that. When you understand, you begin to practice. If I don't give money the second day, you wait. Yes, Ismail, yes. Most of the time, For me, I have bought some stocks like 2 weeks ago. They were going down. Almost of them, they will go down. But I did not exit one of them. All of them I keep because they don't reach my stop loss. I don't care if they reach my stop loss. I will be exiting one or two or three or whatever. And suddenly they all will be going up, and I am making money right now for the majority of them. So I will be staying until I see the big profits now. Okay? I stay 1 week or two, there is nothing, and begin to lose a little money, but now the stocks will go up. So I'll be waiting for Monday until Friday, and they see the big move, because there is what you call momentum. This is what we are following stocks. Momentum. It means there is a momentum where other traders come and they buy, and we have a mutual fund or mutual funds who are buying. This is the secret of the movement of stocks. Okay? Did you mean don't put much money in a stock, but put it into... No, this is wrong. I won't try to explain. You should have what we call control on your account. You should divide your account into many positions. If you want to buy all your account with one stock, you are doing more risk than when you have 2 or 3 or 5 stocks, depending on how much money you have. So the more positions, the less reward and the less risk. But if you put all your money each time, you are risking too much. Okay? That's this you will see it in training level 8, how to minimize risk and how to maximize profits. It will give you a lot of things to do and ideas in order to control your account. Yes, Ismail, this is what we call the whole account. You should see training level 8, how to minimize risk and to maximize profits. It gives you a lot of techniques to master your account, and it shows you where you will be doing expenses. It means losing money, but you don't know that you are losing money. There are a lot of things. Okay? This training gives you details one by one where you should be careful always not to lose money in that. Because a lot of beginners, they don't understand that they are losing money from certain things they do, but they don't understand. So this training will explain everything. Mass movement, yes. Sometimes mutual fund, they buy an industry or they buy a sector, or they begin buying the whole market. You will see a big movement, and this big movement, if you are not in, you will just lose a lot of money, because this is what we are looking for. We are looking for a trend. That's why they say the trend is always your friend. So we should follow the trend, because there is a big buyer. Big buyers, most of them are mutual funds, because they have billions of dollars to spend on the stock. Okay? So, for example, let's say a medium mutual fund, he has $5 billion or $10 billion in the account, and he wants to buy a stock or 2 or 3. Okay, when he begins to buy, he can't buy in one day. He should buy this in 1 month or 2 or 3 or 6 months. That's why this is called the trend. Now, when we see the hands of the mutual funds, these hands that we see when the stock is going up, we find the momentum and we enter. If it continues, we will make money for sure. If it doesn't go up, it doesn't continue, we exit, and that's it. Yes, it is not called the wave or the movement, it's called the trend. Okay? That's why we have a Wall Street adage. They say you should follow the trend. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. It means when the stock is going up, it makes a trend. It's just going up each day, each week, each month, and you will see that the stocks are going up that much. So we try to continue talking about the passion of trading. Trading stocks is not a job. Okay, it is. If you think that you want to do each month you make money like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 in order to pay your bills, you are wrong. I'm telling you from the beginning. Okay, this is a business. A business is open to making money. Sometimes you don't make that much, sometimes you lose a little bit, sometimes you make too much. So there is no rule for making money. It's not you work 1 hour, you get paid like hourly rate. You work 1 hour, $15 or $20 or $30 or $100, whatever is your is your job. Okay, so $100 in 1 hour. Now you can make 5 minutes, you find a stock and you buy it, you can make $1,000, $2,000 in a few days. So it has nothing to do with the time that you spend. It has to do with your expertise, with your skills. So a business is about skills, not about the time you put into the business. Not just the time, it's the expertise. And when you do a business, you open your money for yourself. You open. Okay? You buy some stock and it's going up, it's making money. Although you just bought only one time, it doesn't take you 1 minute to buy the stock and put stop loss, but you can make a lot of money. Okay? Without being glued at the screen and watching your screen 1 minute by 1 minute. Yes, the video, there is always a problem with the video. I don't know, my connection is so good, but these things, I don't know. So since the voice you hear me, the picture or the video is not that important, because we are just doing this presentation, and I will try just always to have a theme or a subject, and you ask questions and I will answer them, and it will be very good to explain more things live if you have questions than to have just videos. So as I said, the passion for trading stocks, it means you love what you do. Okay? I understand the goal is to make money, but there is also a love to do something. It means if you want to learn skill, you should learn it. Okay? If for example the skill of selecting stocks is very difficult, you should learn it by time. This is your work. This is what you should do. You should get disciplined. You shouldn't play with these stocks. Stocks are dangerous. Sometimes they can give you a lot of money. Sometimes they can ruin you if you don't be disciplined. Okay? That's why you should take business in trading as something very, very important. Are you going to do streaming every day? Oh, no. Shmuel, that it will be a lot to do every day, but I'm trying to see how it works, and I can do it so often, and I can change the subjects each time, and we stick to the subject, because we don't want just to speak like this here and there. But if I have questions to this, I will be very good to answer these questions, while we are doing the main theme, which is the main subject. Okay, so the main subject in this thing is a passion for trading, and there is a lot of to say about this. So when you love something, you will do your most. That's why most of the people who love something, they succeed in what they do. Whatever is the thing that you do, if you love these things, you will add more energy. But this energy, it should be a disciplined energy. Okay, discipline. You search for a stock. When you need to buy a stock, you select a stock, you buy it, put stop loss, and close your account. Okay? Next day, at the end of the day, you see if the stock is still there, you are good because you don't exit the trade, and this is a good thing. And if it goes up more than the purchase price, what does it mean? It means you begin to make money, and this is an advantage. It means this is the good thing that we are waiting for. We want that the second day. It means you buy today, tomorrow you should see the money. Okay? If you don't see the money, you should wait, and after 1 week or two, you should wait and see what's going on. Does the stock just have to slow little down and then continue going up? Okay? Or does it really want to go down and to hit stop loss? So this you will know by waiting for the stock. So don't be impatient for the stock. Leave it. Do what it does until you make money from it. So this is one of the things, and when you love something, you need to acquire trading skills. These trading skills, each skill is alone. It means it has nothing to do with the others. For example, I will give you an example. When you search a stock and you select the best, this is a skill. But sometimes you are good at selecting stocks, but you don't handle when they move up or down. You don't handle that. You don't know what to do. This is another skill, which is how to follow an uptrend. It means how to follow this stock. This is another skill that you should acquire, that you should study. Okay? And for example, putting a good stop loss. Okay? Stop loss, it doesn't mean that you will never get triggered. No. It's just you control what you want to lose in each trade. This is so important. It has nothing to do where the stock will go up or down. It has to do with the control. You should control what you spend. For example, I will give you an example in your real life. Let's say you are making $2,000 each month. Just an example, okay? A salary or hourly rate, it doesn't matter. Are you going to spend $3,000? $3,000 you spend each month, and you are just making $2,000? You should tell me no. I should keep it tight, and I use the money that I have. But I'm telling you, you should do more. This $2,000, you should save money from this $2,000 each time you get a paycheck. And this is what I speak about before, which is called emergency fund or something like that. Okay, it means you should save money, although you don't make that much money, but you should always have the idea. But when you take, for example, you make $2,000, you take 100, or you take $50 or 100, 150, and you put them aside in your saving account or your trading account or wherever you put them. Does it hurt you? No, it will never hurt you. And this money, it becomes bigger and bigger after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. You will find thousands of dollars that you save, but if you don't do that, you will have problems in the future. If you lose your job, okay, what you should do? There should be problems that you should face without this. Okay, so as I told you before, you should have skills, and these skills you should learn them the right way, and you should practice and apply these skills. You need time, and understand that what we call, virtual account and real account, they are different. In virtual account, when you do the trades, you don't feel the money. If you lose, you don't care. If you make money, you don't care. But when you have real money, you will be having feelings about the money. That's why you should be disciplined and cut these feelings from your business. Okay? I gave you an example how feelings could go and make you a problem. Let's see here. Yes, the video has gone. Okay, I will give you an example how this could make you problems. Okay, let's say you buy a stock, $10. You like the stock, you search it, or someone told you, wherever it is a stock, and you have this feeling that you should not put stop loss. Now, what is the reason? For example, what is the reason why you don't put stop loss? I will tell you when I drink my coffee. Okay? What is the reason? The reason, you tell yourself, the stock might go down and I hit stop loss and I lose money, and then the stock go up. No, you make the whole scenario in your mind, and this scenario is not true because you have misconceptions. Okay? Misconceptions about trading. If you lose a trade, you are not a loser. You will have a lot of losers in your trading. This is okay, because you are not going to stop the market when you select a stock that it is not good. You will never stop a stock going down. But also, can you stop a stock going up? No, you can't. Now, if you trade, here I'm speaking about trading, I'm not speaking about investing. If you buy a stock and you don't put a stop loss, you are open to big movement into your trade. Okay? I will tell you a true story, a true email. Someone of my students, he sent me an email, and he told me, this is a bit funny, but this is what he told me. At that day, he has a stock and he lost money, and with his stop loss, but he was very happy with that. I say, what is it? Why this guy is happy and he is losing money, and he is like he bought or he ordered my training level 6, which is how to calculate stop loss, and he exited the trade and he lost money. But why he is happy today? And I asked him, I sent him an email, I said, why you are happy? Because he told me, your training has saved me hundreds or couple of hundreds of dollars today. Okay? Because there is bad news to this company in the morning or in the midday or at noon or whatever, and the stock was going down for many dollars down. And since he exited the trade so early, he was so happy to lose just what he wants to lose. And this is one of the most important thing in trading. It's just you control what you lose in each trade. You don't let the market decide for you. The market is doing what it is doing. Okay? And you can't stop that. Let's say there is bad news for the company. Let's say there is a hedge fund that comes to the stock and he wants to kill that stock. Okay? He wants to make a lot of money from this stock, so he short this stock heavily. Or there is a big seller who is a mutual fund and he wants to sell this stock, all his shares in one day. Do you see what a trouble you are in? Have you seen, for example, Twitter? Twitter, I have been in one trade when the stock has lost $14. You can see it in the trade like 6 months or 8 months ago, and I put videos about it. If I don't put stop loss, I could lose a lot of money. But since I apply what I believe in, okay, the stock has been going down, I lost some money, but it is not as if I don't have a stop loss. I lost $1, $1.50 in each share. But if I lost $14 in each share, that should be a big loss. And understand me, if you are a beginner, you are beginning to trade, never leave your stock alone. It's like when you open a store full of merchandise and there is no manager, there is no associate, there is no one there, and it is open. You know, believe me that your store will be looted. It means a lot of people, they come, if they don't find anyone who is there supervising, they will eat, they will steal, and you can't catch all these thousands of people, they go to the store. Okay? So you should master the trade. You should master and you should control what you are doing. Okay. So if you have some questions, please ask, and I continue to speak maybe sometime from now. We have right now 1 hour 28 minutes, and we have spoken about a lot of things. If you have some questions, please. The stream was too much lag. Yes, freaking Oblin. Yes. Don't worry about the video, because it has something to do with the software, with the relation. I will try to be making better and better until I find better software that works good with YouTube, because I don't know this OBS I'm using. It's not as good, and they told me that Hangouts. Hey, Mr. Rastel, how are you? I don't know about the software. Last time they told me to choose. Thank you, Readmark. Thank you very much. They asked me to use meeting.com, and I don't find this stock. This website, it's called meeting.com or something like that. But I'm trying to find a better software that works excellent with YouTube, but I don't find. I'm trying to do as much as I can. But since the voice is excellent and you are listening to me, this is the most important thing, because I'm not describing something on the screen, so it's good. Thank you, Mr. Rastel. What do you think of Sure Trader? Okay, you know, brokers, you should just see. I have an article about how to choose a broker. Broker is just, you see the fees, you see if it is a big broker, you see the commission, how much is the commission, and you see the execution if it is good. When you want to buy something, you buy it. You don't wait. Some 30 seconds or 1 minute to buy. Okay, so these things you should see in a broker. There are some that are excellent. There are some that are bad. That because of their execution, because they don't have money to make their execution better, or they don't reach, because these brokers, they should pay the exchanges and other secondary exchanges to go to the directly to the stock market. Okay, that's why some are good, some are not good. Yes, Cristiano, yes, this is the good thing. If the voice is good, this is what we need. And the video, I will try to find a better software. Okay, I don't know which is the better. Some are very genius in this kind of software and stuff, but for me, I'm trying just to use what they tell me to use, and then we see if things goes well. Yes. How many years I'm trading? I'm trading from 2010, so it's nearly 7 or 8 years, 7 years and something. Karim, do you know MCM market? CMC market. So what is it? This CMC market? You should give me, because this abbreviation I have a lot. There are a lot of abbreviations. So you can give me what is it first? CMS market. If I buy stocks today and sell tomorrow, will I be penalized or no? Hey Josie, you have the total freedom to do whatever you want with your money. No one will stop you. But there is something that you should understand. If you have a cash account, not a margin account, you should see the difference. Excuse me. If you use all your money at once, let's say you have $5,000. You buy stock today, you sell it tomorrow. You should wait 3 days, and the 4th day you can use your money again. This is called fund settlement. I will write it here. Fund settlement for cash account. Now, fund settlement for cash, for cash account. Now, what does it mean, cash account? Cash account is when you put only your money and you don't ask to borrow broker's money. This is an account when you want to apply for a broker. They will ask you, are you going to do margin account or are you going to do a cash account? Now, if you do margin account, he will double your money. For example, you put $5,000, he will put $5,000, and there is no this rule. You can buy and sell whatever you want. No one will stop you. Yes, Cristiano, if you are using cash account, if you use all your money at once, the broker will stop you from using your money a second time. He will send you a warning. He tells you you should wait until the settlement, which is 3 days, and the 4th day you can use your money again. So that's why it is better to divide your money into many positions. For example, you have $10,000. Let's say you divide it into 4, $2,500. You can buy a stock from this and you sell it, and then you go another day or two. You buy another stock with $2,500 and you sell it. Okay, there is no problem with that. And there is something I want to mention, is that Josie, why you want to buy today and you sell tomorrow? Why? If the stock is going up, why you want to sell it tomorrow? This is not a good thing in swing trading. You should wait until you make more and more and more money. Except when there is a gap up. When the stock was $10, tomorrow is $15. Yes, you can sell because you have a lot of money, 50% of your money. This is a gap up when there is a good news or the earning dates. Yes. But if there is no, if you buy today and tomorrow you find $100 like a profit, you want to take it. I understand you are a beginner. You are doing something wrong. You should stay more and more, 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months. Depends on the stock until you get more money. So Zorba, this rule is not applicable in Canada. Yes, I don't know about Canada. I'm speaking. If you use margin account, see, if you use margin account, there is no rule. No rule. You can buy and sell, buy and sell. Okay, but if you have more than 3 trades in a week, they will flag you, and you should have $25,000 to trade as much as you want, like a day trader. More than 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 10 times. If you have $25,000 in a day trading account. In margin account, there is a percentage of your contribution. Here in America, margin account, they double your money. If you put $5,000, they give you $5,000. Your account will be $10,000. This is how they do here in USA. In Canada, I have no idea how the margin account will be. Maybe you know better than me. So, and I know that in Canada, the accounts, I think there is an account where you don't pay taxes for profits. Here we have the same account. It's called Roth IRA. You don't pay taxes also. Yes, the PDT rule in margin accountable. Yes. It means here in America, if you don't have $25,000 and you are making more than 3 trades in a week, they will stop you and they will flag you. Your broker will ask you to put $25,000 or not to trade that much. Okay, so it's automatic. It's automatic. When you do a lot of trades, they will stop you. For Canada, I have no idea about Canada. Here I'm speaking about USA and what they do. Because each country has its own rules and about the market, and so America has different rules than some other markets. So you say you have an example of gold 20%. Now, what do you mean? We have a contribution. What do you mean this contribution? You said, Zorba, you said we have a contribution as an example of gold 20%. So what do you mean by contribution for 20% for gold? What do you mean? So I have no idea what does he mean by 20%. Yes, but what does it mean, 4.22? What do you mean by that? Do you mean they give you, if you buy gold, they give you a profit? If you buy 1 ounce of gold, what can you say about scalping as a style of trading? Hi Ismail, you can't make that much money with the scalping, okay? That's why people, all the big traders, they go to swing trading. Either day trading, you should go to futures, or especially futures or forex to do day trading. But scalping is so difficult to make money. And gold costs now $1,200. You put $4.22, and they put the rest. Yes, but and then what will happen in the future, Zorba? If you buy gold with 1200 and you put only 4.2% as money, so what will happen in the future? If the stock, if this gold go up, so how much money you make? You make as the 4.22%? This is what you are meaning? You mean? Oh, investing in healthcare. Hey, Josie, healthcare or drugs sector is a very dangerous thing. You can make a lot of money, but you can lose a lot of money. You should see stocks, how do they do. Sometimes a stock is $20, it goes to $2 in one night because they don't approve something, the government doesn't approve something, or some problem happens to the medicine. So be careful of this kind of stocks. Now for me, I don't follow, I don't invest, I just trade. Ismail, scalping is just to stay a few minutes and to do the trade. Okay? You can't do that. With the brokers that we have, you are at disadvantage. Scalping are done by professionals in what we call the New York Exchange. You should have a seat there, and you buy from the bid and you sell from the ask. This is how do they make money. They are like market makers. They do trades like them, because the stock market, they give them the right to buy from the bid and to sell from the ask. Now what we do, we buy from the ask, which is more expensive, and we sell by the bid, which is lower. That's why we lose little money from this spread. So scalping is to stay little money, little time, like a few seconds or 1 minute or two, and then to do the trade. So it will never work like this. You will need per share fee in broker if you want to do scalping. Yes, there are some for the commission. You can do per share when you want to buy, or we have a flat, or what you have a flat thing. It depends on how much and how many shares you buy. 10,000, 5,000 shares, 10,000, 20,000 shares. Depends on how much you buy, and you see what's good. For example, if you buy, for example, 100 shares is $1. If you buy 10,000, it will become $10 for each commission, which is not good. So it's better to use flat rate, which is $4 or $5. So if you buy by share, the stock should be big. Okay? So if it's so small, you just waste your time, because you waste your money. Why should I pay $10 if 100 shares is $1? If you buy 10,000, if you buy, for example, 1,000, you will be paying $10 for commission. $10 to buy, $10 to sell. It's $20. It's too much money spent on commission. So you should be careful of commission. So you think that you are doing good, but at the end you see that you are paying too much in commission, and this is one of the worst thing you can do in your trade, in your account, is trading too much. Oh yes, for beginners, yes, you can use that buying by share if they buy just little, 100 shares. If he buys 100 shares with $1 commission, that's excellent. You buy bigger stocks, whatever your money is, but you buy bigger stocks. This is a good deal if you can do that. But buying 5,000 shares, 10,000 shares with one share, it's like 1 cent. You will be paying more, believe me. Hey Zorba, you didn't answer my question. You told me that it is 4.22%. This is what you pay, but how much money you make if the gold goes up? How much you make? If it is the same, and are you buying physical gold or just companies? Are you buying like physical gold or silver, or are you buying stocks or ETF? It means just gold index. This question is for Zorba. I don't know if he's here or he goes sleeping. He doesn't answer. So buying gold and silver for me. You cannot tell me. This is a common information. If you go on the for example, if you go online, you buy your broker, or you will find this information. This is not a hidden information you are hiding. It's I don't think that if you think that this is a hidden information, if it is something private for some private people or some companies, or that's okay. But if it is in the stock market, it means you are using a demo. Man, I thought you are trading and you are using thing. The thing you don't understand is you should understand, if you are just paying for 22%, this is an example, okay? If you are paying for 4%, I will tell you what does it, what is like for like what is it, 42. Let's say you pay $42. Okay, you pay, for example, $45 for this. This is 4.22. Just an example, okay? So, are you looking for index that is going up, like index? If it goes up by $1 or $2, you are making money or no? I have an account with this broker. Yes, Zorba. The broker is a general thing. Are you doing real trading or just? Oh yes, you are doing on real time. I understand. All the brokers, all the stocks have real time. Well, what do you mean by real time? You are doing day trading, right? So it depends. Gold, cash, yes. It means you are not using physical gold, right? Using no. Okay, there is no. Yeah, paper trading. I understand, but I told you how the trade is. You say it's private. Okay, so we forgot about it. We forgot about this subject with the gold and in Canada, because here we buy gold by stocks. The big move was from 2008 to 2012 here, 2011 in America. Okay, and at that time the whole market was going down, but stocks sector of precious metals was going up until April 2011, and there when I make a lot of money from these precious metals. Yes, a large account. No, it's not private. So Zorba, if it is not private, why you don't tell me how the trade is? It means how the broker, how you make money from this. I don't say give me strategy. No, I don't need strategy. What I am saying is, if you are paying little money, for 4.22% of 1,200 is only around $45. So you are not putting that much money. So gold cash 1,000. Yes, it's not important for the ounce. I know the price of the gold. Now what I mean is that you are putting only $45, nearly $45 for your trade, and you do the trade. I don't know. Oh no, I'm just saying you are putting little money in your trade. $45 or $50 a trade is just little money. You can't make that much money from this $45. It's not you are not gambling. You are doing trading. $200 in 6 weeks. Oh, okay. It means there is like there is maybe a percentage, right? They give you like percentage, maybe. Yes, but if the index goes down, are you still making money? Let's say the index is going down. Are you going to make money or to lose all your money? So this, what you are telling me is that it is like a percentage thing, okay? It's like when you put your money for a saving account and you make percentage. Is that what you're saying to me? No, super gamer. Maybe he is doing. They give a percentage for the money he puts, and at the price of sell, you start losing your capital. At the price of sell. Now, what do you mean at the price of sell? You say to me, is it a percentage that you get? This is a very simple question. Is it a percentage that you get always? Oh, the percentage on the capital. So since it is a percentage, you never lose, right? You never lose? Since it is a percentage on the capital. You put $45 and after 2 weeks or 3 weeks it becomes $200. It means you will never lose, right? It has nothing to do with the index, with this index, right? No, you lose. But how do you lose and how do you make money? This is what I'm asking you for 10 minutes. You should just give me how the trade is. You never make... Zorba, you say you never make money. So why, how, you told me from 100 you get 200 in 2 weeks. How did you make money then? You never make money. It was a waste of time. No, okay. Hey, Zorba. Can you send me the link to the website broker? I will check it by myself and see how it works. Like your last video about rookie buy at the end of the trend, I think I did that on Friday with Bitcoin. Oh, Jonathan. Yo, see, on one day, we all do mistakes. Okay? Because, Jonathan, I know you have seen my video, and it's the same as you. But all the beginners are the same. They do a lot of mistakes which are common. That's why I describe how I myself do the same mistake. Before, when I see a trend, I buy the same, so I lose money. Oh, Nico from Germany, how are you? You are early bird, Nico. So I think the time there. What is it? The time there in Germany? It looks like it could be 5 o'clock a.m. in Germany, or 5 a.m. Pay attention with scams, Zorba. They can take all your money. Yes. Scammers, like there are some, even if they are brokers, they are not just the scammers. They do something that you will take their money, but you don't know. So you should. That's why I ask Zorba to give me how he makes money. He say it's private, and then he say I lose money. I don't understand. Oh, it's 6 o'clock. Okay. It's 6 o'clock. You are early bird. That's very good. Here we are at night. We are midnight right now. Midnight here in Eastern Time, USA. Yes, we are at midnight. Guten Tag. Good morning. I don't know German a lot, but it looks like good morning, I guess. We should learn some languages more than English or French. And we have been into this super gamer. It's 7 a.m. Where are you from, super gamer? Which country are you from? Which country, super gamer? You should be like in the far east, easter than Wiedersehen. Oh, Guten means good morning. Yes, good morning. Where are you from? Yes, Wiedersehen is like, it looks like German. But Zorba, you say you are Canadian, right? And Super Gamer is from which country is he? Ah, Lithuania. Yeah, yes. It's in the east of Europe. Yes. Okay, that's good. That's good. You are, understand that you are in the future, we are in the past. Because it's 7 o'clock in your country. So we have 7 hours, you know what's going on for 7 hours. We are in the past. Yes, in Europe. Yeah, east of Europe. Yes. So, hey Zorba, since Zorba send me the link to the broker, I will just take a look, see how it works. Warrior trading is a good spot to have your money taken. Great advising though. Make you wanna buy real quick. It's buy in German. Oh, hey, nice dream in German language. Yes, okay. And I want to use the translator and translate everything. And but the most important thing is just to is just to do what we can. Okay, it's 2 hours right now, streaming live. So please, we try to in a few minutes. I will stop the streaming. It's 2 hours. If you have some questions, please ask. If you don't, here is my email. If you have a private message, you can contact me. This is my email, istockmoney@yahoo.com, or you can check the training directly. If you have questions, just ask, and I will answer you on time. Okay, this is CMC market. Oh, okay. You say CMC market. CMC market. What are your preferred patterns to trade? No, super gamer. I don't have patterns. I have what we call to buy by signal, which is criteria, which is 2 criteria. Then I select stocks through other criteria, and then I will be waiting. And if the stock goes up, I stay. If the stock goes down, it will be I will exit by stop loss, and then I follow the trend. There are techniques, and all is in my training. This is how I do. Thank you very much, Nico Websites. Thank you very much. We will be doing other live thing, and then we need more people to come and to ask more questions. Yeah, I think Bitcoin is at the end of the trend. For me, I don't follow Bitcoin or some stuff. I follow only stocks. I don't care about the other things, because at least stock market, you know what you are buying and which company it exists. Bitcoin, you will never know what you are buying. Okay, and there are a lot of things that we will never know, even the market where it is. It's just something online. If it collapses one day, all the people will lose all their money. But in the stock market, you understand that you are buying. When you buy a share, you are buying something from a company that you can know. It means you go to the company and you find a store, you go to the store, you buy from the store, you understand the business. At least you buy something which is real. A share is a real thing. It's part of the business. Okay? So it's not like you buy options, or you buy futures, or Bitcoin or forex currency pairs. This is not something that it is real. Okay. Nasdaq, OTC. Okay. Nasdaq is the exchange. OTC, out of the counter, is what we call the black market here in America. It means most of these companies, they don't file for financial statement. Okay, so that's why the OTC is dangerous. I don't trade the OTC. Okay, I trade the stocks that are in the major primary exchanges like Nasdaq and the NYSE and the exchange. These the thing I trade in. Okay, I don't trade OTC because it is so dangerous. Because these companies, they have no regulations. You can find, for example, any website.com, and it is an OTC. It has 5 cents or $1 or $2. But next day you can find it 1 cent, and you lose all your money, and you can't do nothing because this company maybe it doesn't exist. So who tells you that this company exists? But if you buy a stock, any company, you can verify that it exists, and you can go to the website and you can see if it's making money or not. You can search for information. But this kind of OTC, they are not. Okay. Yes, I know, but I mean, which one do you trade? Ah, yes. We trade only these primary exchanges. Here, primary exchanges. Primary exchanges are the exchanges that I told you, and if you do stock screener, you will find all these kind of stocks. Ah, I see. I've been playing. Okay, you can buy by Jonathan. You can buy stocks using my training, which is training level 2, how to search for stocks using stock screener. You can find any stock that you like in terms of price. You can check by sector if you like sectors, by industry, or you can check by price. If you do by price, it will give you only the price that you decide to buy stocks from, which is very good from the stock screener. Oh, okay. So stocks, there are thousands of stocks, are penny stocks, and if you want to know the best of these stocks, you just do my training level 2, and you will find these stocks like under $5 or under 4, under 2. You will find this kind of stocks. Yes, Jonathan, 3x ETFs, but understand, if it goes up, you can make a lot of money. But remember that if it goes down, you have the 3x also. So it's the same thing. It is just you want to push the price a lot, but understand that your risk will be doubled with a 3. So don't forget that. What's the best amount of money to start? Okay, Super Gamer. What's the best amount of money to start trading? Trade what you have, and it should not be your bills or your money that you save for yourself. Okay, whatever your money is okay, but the general rule is, if you have the better money you have, the better you will be, because you will have more freedom to buy whatever you want, to do whatever you want in the market. When you have less money, you will be squeezed into buying penny stocks, which are very risky. Yes, leverage. Yes, it's very dangerous, especially margin account. If you are a good trader and you begin to make money, you can use leverage. But if you are just a beginner, don't use it. Use cash is better, because at least if you lose your money, you will not be in debt. But if you lose other people's money, your broker money in margin account, you held accountable, and you should pay this money for your money. If you don't have money, you should bring money. Okay, so it's very hard. So leverage is not that good thing. And when you are a beginner, you should be like try to be more controlling your money, because you don't know how to trade yet. Now, when you are big and you begin to trade well, you can risk more money in order to make more money. When you are a beginner, try to be just don't put too much money. Just try to train yourself until you acquire good skills. So as I told you before, passion for trade, you should love what you do, and you should learn a lot, you should practice a lot, and by practicing you acquire these skills and you ameliorate your performance. Performance is when you understand what you are doing. You can make money. If you don't understand, if you are doing just things like this, you don't understand, you don't follow rules, you don't follow instructions, you will be continue losing money without knowing what's the problem. Thank you, Super Gamer, and have a good night. and you are in the morning, maybe you are going to work, but it's Sunday. Today is Sunday. I don't know if you are going to work on Sunday, but some people work, and it's very good. It's very good that you come, Super Gamer, and have a chat with us, and we try to do as much as we can, and have some traders having questions, and I will answer questions. And as I told you before, you can go to my YouTube channel, and you can just see my email. You ask me any question that you want. That is for today. We will be waiting for some questions, and then we can stop this live streaming. We have been doing this for 2 hours 11 minutes for right now. So to conclude, in general, you should learn more. You should love what you do, and because when you love what you do, you will be succeeding in the future, because you have this idea to succeed. So if you love something, you will do everything in order to succeed. And this is the most important thing in trading, is you have a passion for it. Excellent live stream, Kareem. You inspire me to be passionate about learning swing trading. Thank you very much, Reed Mac. Thank you very much. I'm trying just, Reed Mac, I'm trying just to explain this love of trading, and there are some misconceptions that I'm trying to always correct the idea. It means if you have an idea, but sometimes you don't understand very well how things work in real life, because this is a real life, this is a real business. You are going to put your money, to risk money in order to get money. Okay, so there are some steps you should do, skills to acquire. You should be patient, and you shouldn't business. You can't have a big business in 1 month or two. You should wait until you understand the ins and outs of this business. So is 25,000 enough to become a pro trader? Now, it has nothing to do directly with the money. If you know how to trade, you see how much in performance each year you can make, 10%, 20%, 30%, and see this money, or 40%. Is this money good for you, yes or no? And then you can understand that this 25,000 is good or bad. So don't focus on the money, focus on the on what you get, the performance. Okay? So in order to be a professional trader, you should have always thinking about to have more money in your account, because when you have more and more money, you will be free to do whatever you want in the market, to buy big stocks, to buy small stocks, to buy whatever you want. You will not be squeezed to buy penny stocks, which are dangerous. 25k you can get a day trader account, but when it gets under 20, it's all bad. No, you can see. I'm telling you, it's not so bad when you have less than 25,000. 25,000 is just when you are doing day trading. The broker will not stop you, because if you have less than $25,000, if you made more than 3 trades a week, he will stop you, because you are doing a day pattern trader pattern. So this is bad. So you should have more money. But for me, those who can have more money, just put your money, even if you don't use it, just put more and more and more, because the broker will not steal your money. He will not take your money. Your money is always there, okay? And you do whatever you want. Yes, and try to focus to train yourself to trade. And $25,000, if you have 25,000, that's a good money. That's a good start. So, which is very good to have this kind of money. But if you can have more and more and more, make your account bigger and bigger. If you trade a lot, you will not feel it. You will not feel this commission and this fees. You don't feel it in your money. But if you have small account and you do a lot of trades, the commissions will eat all your profits, and then you will become a loser, although you made good trades. This is US law for 25 day trading account. Yes. This is the laws in USA. It is just a rule. They ask you if you are going to trade a lot, more than 3 times. You should 3 times a week, you should have $25,000. This is just a rule that it is applied, and it is okay. So that's it. So for the people who want to trade a lot, but understand that to be a swing trader is better because you don't trade that much. You can divide your money into parts, and when you trade, for example, you do 1 or 2 trades a week. Let's say the stocks go up, you don't need to buy more because you have already bought and the stocks are doing good, and you don't have money to buy more stocks. Okay, so this is the idea of swing trading, is to divide your account into many parts and then to buy with each part, and don't exceed what the broker asks you not to exceed, which is more than 3 trades a week. And this is a rule because they will flag you and they will stop you from trading. They say you should have $25,000 or more in order to continue doing what you are doing. But understand that day trading, it takes a lot of commission, a lot of money taken from your account. This is USA laws for 20. Okay, Jonathan, from where are you? Which country are you from? Because you say this is USA laws. What country are you from? Where are you from? Okay, so as I told you before, passion for trading needs a lot of discipline, a lot of trust in yourself. You should be confident that when you learn, you can make money. But you just be patient and have this, and you begin this learning process of acquiring skills. Now, my strategies give you a direct training on hand. It means you don't have a lot of theory. Whatever I say, you do it. It's practice, and then you see results. It means it's not just theory about news or about other things. What would be a normal return for a pro trader in a year, you say? Yes, most of the people do like 40%, 50%, depending on the year, 70%, 100%, depending on the year, because it depends on the years also. Some years when we have a big move in the market, you can make a lot of money. Okay, so the first so sometimes you make exceptional money. It's just because of the market was so good in one sector. For example, no, it's not 70% per year. For me, one time, the first year I began with 14,000 to 62,000 in 6 months. This is because I find a sector which is a drug sector, and I make a lot of money from it because there is a big move. A big move. All the stocks, it's like wild. Whatever stock I take, it goes up. That's why I make a lot of money that year. It's something that it's like you when you find a gold mine. I will write it here. It's like when you find a gold mine and there is a lot of gold. You just dig and you take the gold, okay? Because you find a momentum. You are in the right time, in the right place. That's why you will make more money, okay? Besides your skills, which is very good. Looks like we have about 15 to 30 delay from when posting to USA. Yes. The video doesn't work good, so don't worry about the video because this is how it works here. I'm trying to find other software that are better than this, and I don't know what's the problem with this YouTube and with this with the thing, but I'm trying to. The most important thing is to listen to me and to have the voice, which is so good. So this is what we need in our live, and we have the chat. If you have questions, just ask the question. I see it. So this is the good thing. The good thing about live streaming. This is a good thing. So as I told you before, passion is you love more than the normal love. You love more the thing that you are doing, and that's why you will be asking questions, you will be doing training, you will be practicing until you acquire all the skills that you need, and then money comes very easily because you understand the game. Because all the stock market is just a game of choosing stocks on the right momentum. If you see the trend, understand that this trend, there are thousands and millions of people they have bought this stock in the trend, but the best one are those who bought it in the beginning. So you understand that those who bought it in the beginning, not for the first day. I'm not speaking about that. I'm speaking of the beginning of the trend. Even if it is 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month or 2, if you are in the trend and the trend continues, that's where you may make a lot of money from the stock. Okay? So coming at the end, as I said in another video, coming at the end and you want to buy because you see a good trend, this will not work in stock market. Just when you buy a few days or few weeks, or you begin to make money, and then all the thing goes bad and the stock will go down because all the people will sell at that time. Okay, so no worries. I enjoy your stream. Thank you very much, Jonathan. Jonathan, where are you from? Because you say USA laws. I think you are from another country, right? Excuse me. Oh, hello, Andrew. You are from Europe. Yes. But which country are you from? Which country, Andrew? Europe is a continent. Where are you from? Oh, you live in the USA? Oh, yes. Okay, thank you very much. Jonathan, I thought that when you said the USA laws, I thought that you are from another country. Yes, it is USA laws. Oh, you are from Florida. Oh, that's good. It's like 3 hours from now. Oh, Andrew, you are from Germany, okay? It's 6 hours from, you are in the future, we are, so you know better future because you are in the future. We are in the past, I guess. We don't know what will happen in these few hours until 7, since you are 7 or 7:30 or something like that. So as I told you before, trading like business, it is not a job. So you should understand the difference between, for the first time, don't go learning and studying and then you don't know what is the difference. A job is a salary or an hourly rate is whatever you work by hours or by salary by month. They give you a set of limited money. You are an hourly rate. For example, you get $15 or $20 an hour. So this is what you get when you work 10 hours or 20 hours or 40 hours. Okay? But in the business, in trading, you don't work 40 hours to get $2,000, $3,000. When you buy a stock, maybe you take 5 minutes or half an hour, but you can make 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, depending on your money, depending on how much you bought. You can make a lot of money. So this is the difference. A business, it's something else than a job. So you should always make this difference in order to make the thing clear for you. Andrew, I use a broker in the Netherlands and he has no pattern day trading rule. Yes, Andrew, the day trading pattern rule is in the USA. So because I am in USA, I'm teaching from USA environment and stock market, I'm always speaking about that. But if you don't have this pattern rule, it's okay, it's better, you are better. Oh no, whoop ass. No, I don't. I use probabilities in my way, and these probabilities I use is found in training level 5, how to make money from stocks. It's just a concept. It shows you what to focus on when you do your trades. It gives you the real thing with examples to show the probability thing. So I'm not using a difficult mathematical or algorithm or other things that it is so difficult. Okay, I'm using a very simple concept, and when you see the concept and you study them, you will find that it is a way to make money. And most of the professional traders, they do the same. Most of them, or if I say all of them, because trades, you have losers and you have winners. It's not the ratio that makes you the money. It's not when you make 60% or 70%. Professional traders, they don't make that 60%, 70% winners. They do less, but they make money. So it's not in the ratio itself about losers and winners. It's another thing. This another thing I describe and I give you examples to understand, and it's so simple. Anyone can understand this. It's not so hard. Oh, yes, Andrew. Yes, it's okay. USA is so different from other countries, and each country has its own rules. Hey, Josie, is $2,000 enough to trade? Now, if you have only $2,000, it's okay. But understand that the more you have, the better you will be. Because $2,000, what you are going to buy? You are going to buy penny stocks. $2, $1 stock, $3. So these are risky because the percentage they move 10%, 20%, 30%. If you buy a stock and you lose 50% from these penny stocks, you can lose $1,000 in one trade or two. So it's so difficult. But you can you can begin with any money if you want just to begin trading and practicing, but you should have more money in the future. You can save money, or you make other jobs, or whatever you do. Yes, yes, yes. Penny stocks, there is a big risk in them. That's why instead of trading bigger stocks with less risk, you are doing a lot of you are doing a lot of risk. And another thing that you don't know is, for example, commissions. Okay, the more you trade, the more your broker takes money from your account. And since you have small account, your account will shrink very quickly. So don't trade that much. Okay, don't trade that much. If you have less, if you have small money, trade less. Don't trade that much. Okay, so as I said, trading, you should take it as a business. You should have passion to do this. Don't frustrate yourself to make money right away. You will not. Okay. The first, if you are going to use my training, you will see that you will not be losing as much as you lose before. This is for sure. You begin to lose just a little bit, and then when you acquire skills and you begin having practice, you will begin to see good trades, and this what makes your account becomes bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, the good trades. If you buy a stock and you get tomorrow, you get $100 and you sell it, and you continue doing this, you will never make money in the market. That's what I am teaching you to do in training level 7, for example. You should wait in order to make more money, because no one knows where the stock will be going. You for example, you take $100, but the stock after 2 weeks it gives you $500. So I ask you the question: are you going to stay 2 weeks to get $500 or to get $100 now? If you are a beginner, you say to me, oh no, I will take 100, that's enough for me. Okay, that's why you will not make it as a trader in the future, because you are doing beginners ideas. Okay, you are scared to trade, and that's why if you are scared to trade or to lose money, trading is not for you. You should find a job, because your job, you are certain that you work 1 hour, they give you this amount of money. Okay, you are happy with that. But in business, you don't work with hours, you work with skills, you work with the business ideas. No. My broker have $4.95. I think E-Trade has $4.95 also, because it bought my broker. So you can if you want, you can send me an email, and I send you a link for those who want to use my broker. Yes, because the other ones, I think $6.95 is too much. It's nearly $7. 7 and 7 in one trade, you lose $14. It's too much. It's too much money. And my broker will give you like 100 free commissions if you find 7K in your account, which is very good. If you fund your account with $5,000, you can get this 100 free commission, which is $495 for free. This is the thing. It means you trade without paying commission. And you ask yourself, why a broker gives you 100 free commissions? Are they wrong, or there is something behind? No, they want more customers, and they bribe you. It's like they bribe you to be with them. But E-Trade has, but you need to have. Oh, sorry. My broker belongs to E-Trade under its name. E-Trade is a big broker. It has a lot of small brokers to it. So I have a smaller broker that E-Trade has bought. No, no international traders. It's just for USA traders only. Yes. It's for USA trades only. Yes. And my broker, the good thing is that they don't charge for live streaming, the bid and the ask, live data. You are not going to pay for this. It's free. And if you don't trade 1 month or 2 or 3, they will not charge you anything. This is the good thing about my broker, and this is why I am staying with it for these 7 years. Okay, I tried others, but I find them, when they ask me to pay for something that I shouldn't, I just exit them. That's why I am only with this trader for 7 years. I have never exit this account. Except for the first time when I lost my money. Okay, so it's we have reached 2 hours 37 minutes, and I think the session will end soon. So please, if you have more questions, ask. And all this video, you will find it on YouTube. It means you can see it again. You don't see the chat, but you see all what we have talked about in these 2 hours and 37 minutes. And it's nice to see people like this. And I will make more. And if they ask me more questions, and each time we will be doing. We'll be doing a theme or a subject, and we try to speak about that subject, and we try to ask all the questions about the subject in order to get more information and more explanation from me. Okay, so please, if you have some questions, you ask. If not, I will be finishing this session soon, and try not to forget that my discount will end tomorrow at midnight Eastern time. So for those who want just to try or something, just grab one training, and like training level 2, how to search for stocks using Stock Screener, or the subscription or whatever, just to try and see if this thing is good for you. Okay, so I see there are 21 watching, still watching and still listening to me. Please ask questions if you have one. If you are tired of listening, which is boring, if someone's just listening and there is nothing good to listen to, that's why I'm waiting for a question or two. If there is no, I will be leaving this this streaming, and we can do more live streaming in the future, and you can have subject or ask me questions, and we will be prepared to answer questions always. So the chat, it seems that it stops. There is no other information, there is no other questions. So for this, thank you very much for watching this live streaming. I know it's too long. It's like 2 hours 40 from right now. So if you have more questions on any subject that we spoke today, which is a passion for trading in stocks, you can just ask me questions by email or checking my training levels. Thank you very much, and see you next training, next live streaming, and we will finish this. Thank you very much, and see you next live streaming. I will send you an invitation like this one, and we can just go together and chat about what trading is and what is swing trading. Thank you very much, and see you next time.